Hi, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to watch movies on Plex. So to watch movies on Plex is very entertaining, and movies on Plex are being browsed by their chains. We have the action demand, we have the animation. The action demand, you just have to click on it and scroll in order to select the particular movie you want to watch. You have the animation. This animation contains more of different cartoons we have on the phone. We have the comedy. These are different comedy we have here. We also have crime. So on this crime section, you're going to see more of crime movies. Movies that involve crime. We have the descriptive audio. We just have one movie here. So we have the horror movie. So these are you that like horror movie. These are all the horror movie we have on the Plex. You can just sit down, relax, and watch it for as long as you want. We have the trailer and the western and so on. So guys, that is it. You just have to click on the particular movie you want to watch, and then you can just click on it. Then now you can click on watch now. If you don't want to watch it now, you can add it to your watch list and watch it later. So guys, that is it on how to watch movies on Plex. If this video was helpful, please do what to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.